Plan your day with the East Tennessee Weather app. From video forecast weather updates to an interactive radar giving you past, current, and future radar of 2 hours to day part, 7 days, current conditions, access to the only 24-hour weather channel right here in East Tennessee, live weather cameras, and severe weather alerts from the National Weather Service. Download the app today to always stay in the know. This is East Tennessee Weather. Weather when you want it. Well, good afternoon, everybody. Sure hope you're having a great Thursday. Beautiful sunshine, but chilly weather around East Tennessee. And no major changes from what we talked about this morning. But if you're just now checking out the forecast, we do have some changes on the way for the upcoming weekend. Let's go ahead and talk about it here. Here are your weather headlines. Sunny and chilly today, but a weak fast-moving front zips its way through the area on Friday, bringing us a few clouds, a bit of a breeze, and that should be about the extent of it. Some light mountain snow showers. All eyes on Sunday, Monday's winter storm, and then we're talking rain, snow, and the possibility of freezing rain. So we're going to walk you through all those details. Here at the lunch hour, temperature's been running right around the 30s and 40s. It's not been too terribly bad. We're going to climb into the 40s here this afternoon, so still trending a little bit below average, but at least we have abundant sunshine hanging out with us. Heading into the evening hours, by 8 o'clock here tonight, we're dipping down to about 35 degrees. Here's our system that's going to be swinging its way through during the day on Friday. This is what brings us the clouds, a bit of a breeze, and some light mountain snow showers. It's, again, not going to add up to a whole lot. It just doesn't have a lot of moisture. It's pretty moisture-starved, but again, it is enough energy in the atmosphere to produce some light snow showers across the mountains. And then we'll wrap up the week with plenty of sunshine and quiet weather conditions Friday and Saturday. But then that's when things begin to change again as we get into our Sunday, Monday timeframe. Let's talk about that storm system. We'll pick up our timeline Friday, 7 o'clock. Here's our storm, Pacific Northwest. Watch as it races its way into the Intermountain West, the Rockies, down into the southern Great Plains, and it's going to scoop up a bunch of moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. And all eyes on the timing and the placement of the cold air. This is 7 o'clock Sunday morning. We may start Sunday morning off with a little bit of freezing rain, some sleet, maybe some snow, some graupel. But I do anticipate temperatures to warm through the day on Sunday. So I think we may start off with a wintry mix, but it's likely to transition to all rain ahead of the cold front. And our high temperature on Sunday is likely to occur between, say, 6 p.m. and about midnight until the colder air tracks its way on in. So I think temperatures will gradually warm during the day on Sunday. Sunday night, cold front comes through, showers and thunderstorms, snow to our north, ice to our north. We'll pick up about 3/4 of an inch of rain here locally. So rainfall about Lexington southward. North of Lexington, we're talking about snow showers from St. Louis, Indianapolis, Columbus, Charleston, Washington, D.C., across the Great Lakes. But in between the rain and the snow, we've got a sandwich of freezing rain from Springfield, Missouri through Paducah, Lexington, Louisville, Charleston, Roanoke. And that may include us here in East Tennessee as well. And again, I think it's going to be the initial onset of precipitation because temperatures will warm through the day on into our Sunday. But heavy rain is likely to be the case. So make sure you check back in. This is not the say-all, be-all forecast. When you piece it all together and you add up all this piece to the puzzle, we are talking about a winter mess around our region. Most of it Tennessee-Kentucky border north, Tennessee-Kentucky border south, better chance for rain, but also the chance for some freezing rain. So that's why you need to check back in. When we talk about freezing rain and or precipitation types this time of the year, it all is based on timing, temperature, not just at the surface, but through the column of the atmosphere. When we're talking freezing rain, we have we have snow falling out of the atmosphere, but then it goes through above freezing layer and it turns into rain. And then you have a very shallow sublayer, which freezes on contact, metal surfaces, bridges, whatnot. So that's what freezing rain could do. Now, if this above freezing layer is a little bit more shallow, maybe we get more sleet. If it's colder, maybe we get a little bit more snow, or maybe it's just going to be all in the form of rain. And that's why you need to check back in, because it is all dependent on the profile of the atmosphere. We do know that we're going to get wet, though, Sunday into our Monday, and then we'll dry out Tuesday, Wednesday. Temperature-wise, a reinforced shot of colder air comes through tomorrow. That drops our temperatures on Saturday. Another reinforced shot of some Arctic air settles in next week, and temperatures will only be in the 30s. And it's likely to stick around for a couple of weeks. The Climate Prediction Center is predicting below average temperatures all the way through the middle part of the month. So as I mentioned, always a good way to stay on top of the weather forecast by downloading the East Tennessee Weather app. It's a free app download. It's everything you need to know for weather right here in our own backyard. Bundle up, grab the sunglasses, and make sure you check back in. Have a great day.